So, in front of you is a new acquisition of mine. This was a $10 find at an auction that I go to every now and again. This is a vacuum that I've been wanting for a while because I have a identical one, but it is in really bad shape, and it can't be fixed because it went under in a basement flood a little while ago. It runs great for an Elite. It's old, and I think it has some bearing noise to it, but for how much I'm going to end up using this thing, it's fine. I don't use Elites every day anymore. I just some of them have a soft spot, some of them don't, but I try to keep a couple of these on hand because these are really good machines, really good runners, most often anyways. Alright, so let's fire it up. So as you can hear, the belt is also pretty loose, but it's the belt that came on this thing. I'm guessing it sat for a while, but I haven't had time to put a new belt on it, but it runs fine. I'm going to guess, based on where I bought it from, this was probably an older person's vacuum, and they didn't use it a whole lot, and that's why it's in such good shape for its age. I mean, they used it, but they didn't beat the crap out of it. They took care of it. It came with a bunch of extra bags, and it had, when I got it, a brand new bag in it. So anyway, see you guys in the next one, and I think you'll enjoy this next vacuum that's on the list.